15,399 people.
You're too vain with your hair. Are you ready?
No.
Go for it.
Hi everyone, welcome to a new episode of DiagnoseDan. Today we're going to be working on...
No, do it like he does it. Do it rubbish.
Hi everyone, welcome to a new episode of DiagnoseDan.
No, rubbish I said. That's too good.
Hi everyone, welcome to a new episode of Diagnose...
Just forget it.
I can't read the squiggly writing, Leon.
Yeah, no one can read the squiggly writing. No one can. Sorted! Hello everybody and welcome to another Bodgit And Leggit video. As you can see, I'm wearing some very sexy gear and so is Sean. I would also like to share a special video of Dan showing his other skills, let's say. You'll see it up here. I'll play a little bit of it and I might leave the rest for kind of a blackmail video. But here it is. Right, that's just a short clip, but I think we all get the idea. Yes, I would like to give a big shout out to DiagnoseDan. And I was talking to him a few weeks ago and we just got talking how it is. And I just mentioned that I needed some rags. And he said he's got loads of rags, loads and loads of them. So he's going to send me some. I was like, sweet. And as you can see, he sent me loads of them. I've got one on, Sean's got one on, also got a hat. He sent me some more rags in this box. So, there we go. I mean, sorted for rags. Now I'm not too sure, oh that's it, just throw them on the floor. I'm not too sure, these must be special rags. But, you know, I'm sure I can certainly dry your hands anyway for a few times before we have to throw them out. So yeah, plenty of rags. Thanks, Dan. He was worried about what I might say, and I don't know why he'd be worried about what I might say. You know, that's just Sean dropping something. But I don't know. But yeah, he's worried. So here we go. He might want to now turn off this video because I don't think he watches all my videos all the way through anyway. So this might be a good time, Dan, for you to switch off and let me continue with the video. Sorted. Right, in all seriousness, obviously we've got some goodies from Dan. He sent us a couple of hats. The two different style of hats and a few t-shirts. Now, I've got some of these so I can give away. So much appreciated, Dan. And they're actually really good quality. They're not kind of cheap crap, they're really good quality. He also sent me, and I was a bit worried, because he sent me some cookies from Holland. Now, you know, if you're not familiar with Holland, you just don't know what's in these. When I ate them, I had a fantastic day. That's all I'm saying. A fantastic day. These cookies are absolutely beautiful. What else did we get? Right, what we also got is some stickers. Who doesn't like some stickers? Now this is his new logo, he's only changed this recently, but we have some DiagnoseDan stickers, and we have 3 different sizes. So we have that size, and that size. Sorted. So let's get into it. I have to say, since I've done YouTube, I've met some fantastic people, and Dan is just one of them. He is definitely one of them. Absolutely fantastic guy. A real genuine guy. His YouTube channel is phenomenal. He does some really cool stuff. He's a genius. You should definitely go and check him out, because the stuff he does, the stuff you can learn from him is phenomenal. He's in Holland, so that's where he is. And yeah, so look everybody. So yeah, everybody, look, if you subscribe to him, tell him I sent you and put hashtag don't skip through, and then he'll know who it's from. And honestly, people, you know, he's a genuinely nice guy. There's not too many people in the world like him. If everybody was like him in the world, it'd be a fantastic place. He really is a down-to-earth, genuine guy. I can't really get the words out to just how genuine he is. Not just saying that, he really is a genuine, fantastic guy. I haven't really known him for that long, but I consider him a really good friend of mine. I talk to him quite often, and he's just a genuine guy. His YouTube channel is fantastic. We want to build it up for him. He's only got a few videos on there, but we will start putting, well, he will start putting more videos up as well. And like I said, you know, just some of his videos are fantastic. I won't spoil it for you, but one particular video, the car wouldn't start because of the door handle. That's all I'm going to say. So go and check it out. It's just fantastic channel, fantastic guy. Honestly, if you go and subscribe to him, you will not regret it. And I'm just glad that I can call him a friend. So there we go, people. Hopefully, soon you might see a collaboration between us. Don't know how we're going to do it, but we will do something. I'm hopefully going kind of that direction in the summer. So we'll try and meet up and do a few videos together. You'll recognise me because I'm the good-looking one, so that's easy to obviously recognise, you know. He's not me, but then nobody is there? So, you know. So that really is it, people. Go and subscribe to his channel. His link will be at the end of the video. His link will also be down in the description. But yes, fantastic guy, fantastic channel, fantastic goodies. The cookies were phenomenal. So there we go, people. Hope it helps. Don't forget, please like, share and subscribe. Links down here, links down below. But most importantly, don't forget, get your hands dirty. See you for the next one. Sorted.
Sorted. 15,399 people.
You're too vain with your hair. Are you ready?
No.
Go for it.
I forgot.
Take two.
Okay. Hi everyone, welcome to a new episode of DiagnoseDan. Today we're going to be
Take two.
Hi everyone, welcome to a new episode of DiagnoseDan. Today we're going to be looking at
Working on.
Working on.
Take four.